the major things impacting on CFA over the next years and generations to come is climate change. Not just CFA, but the world. Our farmers, the people in rural Victoria, our volunteers, in cities, our children, our children's children are going to be affected by climate change. If you think it's not going to happen, start reading some of the IPCC reports, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. 2,500 scientists said this is going to affect us, and it's going to affect us for the future. We need to do something now to show that we can change, or we can do our part in changing what has to happen in the future. If you had a jumbo jet and you had 2,500 scientists say it's not safe to get into that jumbo jet, and you had a handful of scientists say, oh, it's safe, and you needed a trip to Brisbane, would you actually get into it with those odds? The skeptics out there are using those odds to say it's not going to happen. We can't take that risk. This is part of an overall CFA environmental program. This is an integrated program to help us take a step forward. Just remember, we save lives, we save homes, now we want to save the future.
This disaster is not set to happen in some science fiction future many years ahead, but in our lifetime. What is more, unless we act now, not sometime distant, but now, these consequences, disastrous as they are, will be irreversible.
The costs of removing most of that risk are around 1% of GDP per year.
just one person. What can I do about global warming? I try to be environmentally aware. I try not to be wasteful. I try to do the right thing. But I'm just one person. What difference can I make?
Everyone keeps telling us, and the CSIRO confirm it, that climate change means that we're in for more severe fire seasons, the risk of more volatile days. Everybody keeps thinking this problem's too big, but we can all do our own little bit to make a difference. If we take action, we can fix this problem and make our world better for all of us. One of the key issues about this is what we leave behind, what's there for the next generation. Now, this is very important because we need to think about our children. Now, I have my daughter Josie here. Now, Jose, what are we doing at home to try and help save things?
We turn off the tap when we brush our teeth.
Because why do we do that?
To save water.
Okay, and what other things are we doing around our house to try and save water?
Look at the time when we take our showers.
And how long do we allow to have a shower?
3 minutes.
30 minutes, are you sure?
3.
3 minutes, oh, okay.